I'm here in my bathroom and I've got Charlie here, and I wanted to show you guys the, I guess, before shot of our bathroom and kind of explain what we're gonna be doing in here, because we are doing a big renovation in our bathroom. I'm so excited. If you guys have followed my channel for a while, you know I live in a really old house, and we've been working on slowly fixing it up. And so far all we've done, don't pull my hair. So far all we've done is just kind of like painting and kind of easy stuff like that. But this is gonna be our first actual like major renovation. So we've been saving up for this because like bathrooms and kitchens, you know, are the most expensive. So, okay, kind of embarrassed to show you our bathroom. It's not super clean in here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you. You wanna say hi? Hi. This is our bathroom. It is very cramped. That's like our main complaint about it. And it just feels super narrow in here, as you can tell. We only have one sink. This is our only bathroom in the whole house. We have a half bath downstairs, but this is our only full bathroom. They put a dividing wall right there, and the toilet is behind that. And then our shower is like super tiny and cramped back in there. It's so hard to clean. It's so hard to keep it clean because there's no room. Like, I'll try to get around here and kind of show you. I don't even know if I can like get the camera back in here. Toilet, like it's so cramped. It's hard to even move around and keep it clean. Hello. So yeah, so that's like the main thing we're doing. We're getting that wall taken down. We're painting. We're gonna do like new tile, new sink and everything. We wanna get a double sink. So I don't wanna give too much away as far as what all of that is gonna look like. But yeah, everything in here is beige, as you can tell. Beige walls, beige countertops, beige floor tile. Our whole house pretty much was beige when we moved in. So we just wanna like lighten everything up, make it feel a lot bigger in here, and just make it more functional. Like that dividing wall, I think probably the thought behind that was, well, someone can be using the toilet while someone else is getting ready, since it's the only bathroom in the house. But it's too small of a space for that, and it's just way too cramped. So yeah, so this is the before, everyone. How exciting. And then, like I said, I don't want to give too much away, but I want to show you a few things that we have going into the new bathroom. Okay, so we're here in my office, which is also a huge mess, but this is the look that we're going for in the bathroom. I tried to pick things that were kind of like vintage, or at least like really classic looking, because anything too modern is gonna look weird in our old house, you know? So I was super excited that American Standard wanted to partner, and they were just nice enough to provide the fixtures that'll be going in the bathroom. So, excuse me, sir. What's the problem? You excited? You excited? I know, it's so cute. Okay, so this is like a faucet handle, one of them. I didn't get everything out. There's a lot more than just this stuff, but I just wanted to kind of show you like the look. So this is one of the faucet handles. Charlie's eating my hand. So there'll be two of these like on each faucet, like on, off, on, off. This is like a towel rack. This is a robe rack. And yeah, so pretty much all of the like bathroom jewelry is provided by them. It's just so awesome. And I chose this chrome finish because I thought that would look really classic. And then on the walls, we're doing classic, again, subway tile. And on the floors, we're gonna be doing this hex tile, and the tiles are both from Wayfair. And I think I'm gonna do a dark grout on the floor and then a lighter grout on the walls, or I may do like a gray grout on both. Still haven't quite decided yet, still kind of working on that. So yeah, that gives you kind of like a little sneak peek about the vibe that we're doing here. Super excited, can't wait to get the bathroom done. It'll probably be done in a couple of months, based on what the contractor told us, but hard to say exactly. So yeah, I hope you guys like this, and I'm super into home decorating stuff, and so hopefully you guys are too, and this will be kind of fun to show you this bathroom makeover. Let me know what you think of the choices that I've made so far. I'll put links to this stuff in the description box too if you're interested. And be sure to subscribe so that you can see the after. See you guys in my next video. Bye. You wanna say bye? He's teething. Drool everywhere. Bye guys.